डर होना चाहिए और वो दिल में होना चाहिए, और वो दिल आपको उनका नए सामने वाले का होना चाहिए। May I come in? वो क्या इतना बड़ा?
What does ICBL stand for? What does ICBL stand for? ICBN stands for International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. What does this ICBN do? ICBN gives guidelines, the rules and regulations for naming a newly identified plant with the scientific biological name. Next question. Give the scientific name of mango. What is the scientific name of mango? The scientific name of any plant consists of two components, right? Mangifera indica. The scientific name of mango is Mangifera indica. What is generic name? Generic name is Mangifera. And what is the specific epithet? Specific epithet is indica. What is the scientific name of mango? Mangifera indica is the scientific name of mango. Identify the generic name and specific epithet in it. The generic name will be Mangifera and specific epithet will be indica. Do not forget to underline the Mangifera and indica, the generic name and specific epithet separately. Because as per the guidelines of ICBN, when the scientific name is handwritten, both the genus and species are separately underlined. Done? Ho gaya. Next question. Which is the largest botanical garden in the world? The largest botanical garden in the world is RVG. What is RVG? R for Royal, B for Botanical, and G for Garden. Right? RVG, Royal Botanical Garden, is the largest botanical garden in the world. Where it is present? It is present at Kew, England. इंग्लैंड ब्रिटिशर्स अपने आप को रॉयल बोल लेते हैं, रॉयल मेडिकल कॉलेज, इंस्टीट्यूट्स के नाम भी रॉयल रखते हैं, ठीक है, वैसा याद रखो. रॉयल बोटानिकल गार्डन इज द लार्जेस्ट बोटानिकल गार्डन इन द वर्ल्ड, प्रेजेंट एट क्यू, इंग्लैंड. ठीक है. नेम ए फ्यू वेल नोन बोटानिकल गार्डन्स इन इंडिया. तो अपने इंडिया में कितने बोटानिकल गार्डन्स हैं? सबसे पहले है आईबीजी. क्या है बेटा वो आईबीजी? माने आई फॉर इंडियन, बी फॉर botanical, and G for garden. Indian Botanical Garden कहाँ पे बेटा वो? हावड़ा, कोलकाता. Right? IBG, Indian Botanical Garden, present in हावड़ा, कोलकाता. Next, NBRI. What is NBRI beta? N stand for National, B stand for Botanical, R stand for Research, and I stand for Institute. NBRI, National Botanical Research Institute. Where it is present, beta? It is present in Lucknow. It is present in Lucknow. अब लखनऊ शहर किस चीज से मशहूर है? नवाबों का शहर. तो N फॉर नेशनल बोटानिकल रिसर्च इंस्टीट्यूट और N फॉर नवाबों का शहर, दैट इज लखनऊ. ऐसा याद रख लो, इजीली याद रहेगा. ठीक है. Now define the terms couplet and leaf in the taxonomy key. A taxonomy key क्या है बेटा? Taxonomy key is nothing but a taxonomical aid which is used for the identification of plants based on the similarities and dissimilarities. तो couplet क्या है बेटा? Couple माने pair. तो a pair of contrasting characters. A pair of contrasting characters in the taxonomic key, right, is called as couplet. The plants are identified based on the similarities and dissimilarities. So a pair of contrasting characters is nothing but couplet, in which a choice is being made. One is accepted and one is rejected. So taxonomic key is a taxonomical aid used for the identification of plant species based on the similarities and dissimilarities. So a pair of contrasting characters known as couplet, choice has been made, one is accepted and one is rejected. Then what is lead? Lead is nothing but each statement in the taxonomic key is known as lead. Each statement in the taxonomic key is known as lead. तो बेटा ये था फर्स्ट वाला क्वेश्चन आपका अपकमिंग बोर्ड एग्जाम का. ठीक है, क्या है, जल्दी से रैपिड रिवीजन कर लेंगे अपन. व्हाट डज आईसीबीएन स्टैंड फॉर? ICPN stands for the International Code of Botanical Nomenclature. क्या करता? ICPN provides guidelines for naming a newly identified plant with a scientific name. Give the scientific name of mango. Mangifera indica is the scientific name of mango. Identify the generic name and specific epithet. Generic name is Mangifera. Hence starts with the capital letter. Right? Specific epithet is indica. Hence starts with the small letter. Which is the largest botanical garden in the world? Royal Botanical Garden, RBG, is the largest botanical garden in the world, where it is present at Kew, England. Well, name a few well-known botanical gardens in India. Indian Botanical Garden, IBG, present in Howrah, Kolkata, and National Botanical Research Institute, NBRI, present in Lucknow. ऐसा याद रखना है बेटा, लखनऊ नवाबों का शहर है. नवाब N for National Botanical Research Institute. Define the terms couplet and lead in the taxonomic key. Taxonomic key is nothing but a taxonomical aid which is used for the identification of plant species based on the similarities and dissimilarities. Right? So those are present as a pair of contrasting characters known as couplet. One is accepted, one is rejected. Thus the choice has been made. And what is lead? Each statement in the taxonomic key is known as lead. So ये था बेटा आपका first VSAQ.
Monster.